Good afternoon, all of you. Today, on the birthday ceremony 136, we are gathered here in this hall to celebrate the birthday of the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. When Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan became the second President of India, remember it, when Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan became the second President of India, there are some disciples come and request him, sir, we are wanting to celebrate your birthday. Great hearted person Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan replied the student, no. My birthday, if you want to celebrate, then celebrate as a Teacher's Day. This Teacher's Day starts from 1962. Remember it, this is the main point. You have to remember 1962. Regarding Radhakrishnan, he was talent from childhood. As you know that Radhakrishnan was born in Brahman family. In South India, you have studied in history so many Hindu temples. Hindu temple town in South India today and past time, there were so many scholars of Hindu. In childhood, Radhakrishnan learned how to read the Gita. He had also studied Bible. He had also studied Ramayana, Gita and Bible, Quran. Everything he had studied in childhood. He had a great heart, just like the ocean. He always learned the good thing. So he became great person in few times. Primarily, he learned the education in Lutheran Public School after Presidency College. You know that he was the scholar of philosophy. In Hindi, Darshan. Radhakrishnan was the disciple of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was the star of the India. He had established the Indian culture, civilization, religion outside the India. You have know about the Swami Vivekananda had delivered the speech 7 days in Chicago city. And like Radhakrishnan was the first Indian, he delivered the speech in Harvard University in the topic of Indian religion. He established the greatness of the India and Indian person. Today, we have to learn. We have to imitate their life routine. Nowadays, a student imagine that I will become the collector, but their practice is less than collector. We have to obey one thing. If you will obey your parents, if you will obey your teacher, a day will come when you will achieve the target Labhya as like Ram, Krishna. This is the main thing. This is the core matter of the study. We come here to celebrate with remember the routine of Radha Krishna. We have followed the path of Radha Krishna. Here, a day when Radha Krishna was also sitting on the bed, look like you. He studied philosophy, and philosophy is the way of concentration. You know, when the Lord Buddha, Bhagavad Buddha, Lord Mahavir had followed the meditation way and he became the Lord. He was general person as we. He followed, he imitated, he concentrated their mind and he became the Lord like Buddha, like Mahavir. We also become the Lord. Nowadays, we are not Lord. We are a general person. A general person become Lord. When and how? If they follow the path of the Radha Krishna, you know the Indian philosophy. He was great writer. How? He has written many books, which books is nowadays also very important in the world, not in India. Just like Indian philosophy, Indian ethics. Today, we will remember the path of the Radha Krishna or important word, obey your teacher. I think since 2-3 months, I have learned here, our children have no patience. Our children have no style to behave their teacher. I hope today you will impress from my words. From today, you will follow, you will obey your teacher, your parents. This is the most important sacrifice for you. At last, I congratulate the director Mahoday who has established this institute and who call you. If they have not established this institute, you will not hear. I congratulate to you in the different situation. I know your family position, your family economical position is not strong. If you belong to poor family, but you have dared to pay the fees of this institute. I have paid. I congratulate to you. You come here to get the knowledge. You will learn. सुभाष चंद्र बोस बोले थे, जब देश की आजादी की बात चल रही थी, वह बोले थे कि तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। मैं आज 136वां वर्षगांठ के अवसर पर तुम सभी बच्चों को बोलता हूँ, तुम हमारे संस्था के शिक्षा के बात को थोड़ा फॉलो कर लो। सबको जॉब दूंगा एक तरफ से, सबको जॉब दूंगा एक तरफ से। कोई कठिन काम नहीं है। मैं इन्हीं उम्मीद के साथ, मेरे पास देने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, मेरे पास देने के लिए कुछ नहीं है और तुम्हारे पास लेने के लिए सब कुछ है। देने और लेने की जो बीच का क्रम है ये चलता रहेगा। यदि लेते हो बहुत अच्छा हो जाओगे। एट लास्ट I thanks all the members of this institute new science coaching center. I hope we will establish the result in this year. So many students of 12th class has practicing for their betterment in the examination. I hope you will stood and achieve more than 400 marks. This is my dream. This is my dream. ये मेरा सपना है और तुम्हारे हाथों में है ये सपना। इस सपना को साकार कर देना। मुझे इन्हीं बातों के साथ मैं अपनी बातों को विराम देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।